Hey everybody! Today we're going to learn how to lock down a cell so it only allows a specific character count, which is perfect for ensuring product codes, phone numbers, or state abbreviations are never typed incorrectly. First, click and drag your mouse to highlight the column or specific range of cells where you want to enforce the text length limit. Go up to the top menu ribbon and click on the Data tab. Look inside the Data Tools group and click the Data Validation button. A settings window will pop up over your workspace. Under the Settings tab, click the Allow drop-down menu and change it to Text Length. Look at the Data drop-down directly below that. You can choose Between for a flexible range, but if your codes must be an exact length, change this drop-down to Equal to. Click into the Length input box and type your exact target character count. For example, type 5 if you are restricting the column to 5-character zip codes or department IDs. Click OK to save and activate your text restriction rule. Now, if you click into a protected cell, type a 3-letter word, and hit Enter, Excel will instantly slap down a hard stop, flash your custom error alert window, and refuse to log the data until it matches your exact length requirement. And that's it. Your cell length restrictions are now completely automated and secure. I hope this helps with your current and future projects. Thank you for watching.